In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to run multiple Roblox instances at once on one computer. So the first way you can actually run multiple devices on one account is by using the application as well as the Roblox website. This, however, only works for 2 devices, so let's do it right now. Let me show you. The first thing you want to do is open up one application, which I have right here, then click F11 and make it smaller like this. You want to go to the search bar and type in Microsoft Store. Open that up. Then once you're here, you're going to want to type in Roblox. Click this and then click play. Then you'll need to sign into your account. And then once you're here, you'll be able to launch this one right here, as well as the Roblox application from your web browser. So that is exactly how you run 2. If you want to run 3, you'll need to go online and use this thing called now.gg. Then you'll be able to play different games, but you're just gonna want to go to the search bar and type in Roblox. Click that, and then you'll be able to sign in and then launch 3 games if you use this one, the one on Microsoft Store, as well as the online one on this website. So that is exactly how you can run multiple accounts at once. Subscribe.